Poly TV.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I am Joanna binti Khalid Alexander reporting from Polytechnic Banting Selangor. Polytechnic Banting Selangor is hosting a Cie-Tvet 2019 which is held on 20 and 21st August 2019. Here's with me Madam Tivia Sanmugam, the Program Director of Cie-Tvet 2019 conference. Madam Tivia, could you tell us about this event?
Okay, this Cie-Tvet conference is the 9th conference which is actually held annually at selected polytechnics. So for this year, this conference was handed over to Polytechnic Banting, and it was co-organized with College Community Kuala Langat. So this year we had around 112 paper presenters in total, and it was a success, I would say.
So, how was the response for this program this year?
So this year, as I mentioned earlier, we have received about 169 abstracts in total, and 112 full papers were presented at the conference.
What is your expectation for the upcoming Cie-Tvet conference next year?
My expectation would be, I hope that the Cie-Tvet conference would be a platform where all the lecturers at Polytechnic and college community could make use to present their research papers. I hope that more lecturers would come forward and take this opportunity that is given to them, and more participants would actually participate in the next year conference. So I wish the Polytechnic or college community that is going to handle next year's conference the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Tivia, for your time.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the winner of the Best Paper Award, Dr. Rosa and team members. Dr. Rosa, what is your feeling about winning the Best Paper Award?
Alhamdulillah, first of all, thanks to Allah for bringing me here. So I think first of all, I would like to thank you to the Cie-Tvet for this opportunity, so that not only me, all the researchers also have the opportunity to showcase their research work. Okay, about this paper is actually a part of my research during my PhD. So we actually collaborated between three companies in UK. So the main one is Airbus UK.
Thank you once again. Congratulations. After having 2 days of Cie-Tvet 2019, what I can say is that it is a very good platform for all the TVET educators to share their creative idea. That's all from me. I am Joanna binti Khalid Alexander, Poly TV Central Chapter. Don't forget to check us out at www.polytechnictv.org. Live, learn, innovate.